Are you eager to unravel the secrets of financial success and fast-track your journey to wealth? We will explore many key factors to develop the right money mindset. This video is your gateway to unlocking the transformative lessons from Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video, as a special treat awaits you. We're excited to share with you your very own copy of USA Today's #1 money book. The insights within this acclaimed book are sure to inspire and empower you on your financial journey. Don't miss out. Stay with us until the conclusion of the video and get ready to claim your copy of this invaluable resource. Rich Dad, Poor Dad isn't just a book, it's a guide to developing a consciousness of wealth. Today we're exploring key ideas that can reshape your financial journey. In this groundbreaking book, Kiyosaki shares invaluable lessons about wealth creation and the power of mindset. Let's delve into the core teachings of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and understand the stark contrast between Kiyosaki's rich and poor fathers. Understanding the wealth mindset. Wealth is not merely about external circumstances, it's a mindset that sets the stage for financial success. Sustainable wealth isn't built overnight. It's about adopting a mindset aligned with long-term prosperity. Kiyosaki's rich and poor fathers had contrasting mindsets, shaping their financial journeys, emphasizing the significance of perception in wealth creation. Contrasting mindsets. Explore the dichotomy between Kiyosaki's rich father, who understood financial education, and his poor father, stuck in a cycle of financial instability. Internal beliefs about money shape financial outcomes, emphasizing the importance of embracing a wealth mindset. Adopting a wealth mindset equips us with resilience, resourcefulness, and determination for navigating the financial world. The difference between broke and bankrupt. Understanding the difference between being broke, a temporary state, and bankrupt, a legal status, is crucial for overcoming the fear of poverty. Recognizing these distinctions empowers us to proactively solve financial challenges, a childhood lesson on wealth creation. Kiyosaki's encounter with Mike's dad marked a turning point, teaching a valuable lesson in integrity and ethics. Counterfeiting money became a lesson in recognizing legal and ethical boundaries in wealth creation. Kiyosaki shifted from illicit means to genuine wealth creation, emphasizing skills, knowledge, and ethical practices. Commitment and learning. Kiyosaki's commitment to learning underlines the importance of perseverance and dedication in the pursuit of financial knowledge. Let's embrace the lessons from Kiyosaki's experience, committing ourselves to continuous learning, cultivating a mindset of curiosity and growth, and persevering in the face of challenges. Work for experience and satisfaction. Kiyosaki challenges the notion that money should be the primary motivator for work. Instead, he advocates working for experience and job satisfaction. Find fulfillment in your work, aligning your skills and passion with your career. The pursuit of meaningful work, engaging in work that brings personal satisfaction, contributes to a fulfilling life, and can lead to financial success. By pursuing meaningful work, you align your skills and passion with your career, setting the stage for potential financial advancement. Balancing passion and pragmatism. While it's essential to seek job satisfaction, it's equally important to balance passion with pragmatism. Finding fulfillment in your work not only contributes to a fulfilling life, but can also lead to financial success. Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad's distinction. Understanding the difference between being broke and bankrupt is crucial for overcoming the fear of poverty. Kiyosaki's Rich Dad emphasized that being broke is a temporary state, while bankruptcy is a legal status. Recognizing these distinctions empowers us to proactively solve financial challenges. Fear of poverty and temporary nature of bankruptcy. The fear of poverty often stems from the belief that being broke or facing financial challenges equates to a lifelong state of destitution. However, by recognizing that being broke is temporary and that bankruptcy can be a stepping stone toward financial recovery, we can alleviate this fear. Overcoming financial challenges with the right mindset. Mindset plays a pivotal role in overcoming financial challenges. Individuals with a wealth mindset approach setbacks as learning opportunities and catalysts for growth. They view being broke as a temporary hurdle that can be surmounted through strategic thinking, perseverance, and a commitment to financial education. Robert Kiyosaki's encounter with Mike's dad. During his childhood, Kiyosaki and his friend Mike were intrigued by the stark contrast in their father's attitudes toward money. Mike's dad, who would later become Kiyosaki's rich dad, possessed a unique perspective on wealth and its creation, an unconventional approach to wealth. Mike's dad, a successful entrepreneur and investor, presented the boys with an unusual challenge, learning about creating wealth through an unconventional means, counterfeiting. This proposition startled young Kiyosaki, but it laid the foundation for a crucial lesson in integrity and ethics. Transition from counterfeiting to legitimate wealth creation. This pivotal lesson in integrity and ethics laid the foundation for Kiyosaki's transition from pursuing illicit means to genuine wealth creation. Inspired by his rich dad's wisdom, Kiyosaki recognized the importance of developing skills, acquiring knowledge, and understanding the dynamics of financial markets. The commitment to learn about wealth creation, motivated by his encounter with Mike's dad and the insights gained from their discussion on wealth creation, Kiyosaki made a momentous choice. He decided to work for Mike's dad, not for the purpose of financial gain, but to learn and absorb the wisdom of a successful entrepreneur and investor. Working for Mike's dad. Lessons learned. During his time working for Mike's dad, Kiyosaki embraced a hands-on approach to learning. He observed, asked questions, and actively participated in various business ventures. Through this immersive experience, he gained firsthand knowledge of the intricacies involved in building successful enterprises and making sound investment decisions. Kiyosaki's commitment to learning. Through his commitment and dedication, Kiyosaki developed a mindset rooted in the belief that education is an ongoing process. He recognized that acquiring financial intelligence and expertise was not a one-time endeavor, but a lifelong commitment. Desire and greed as motivators. Desire and greed, when channeled in a healthy way, aligned with your values, can birth incredible ideas on how to make money. Kiyosaki encourages us to use these powerful human emotions as motivation to drive financial success. Transformative language. How can I afford it? Your words hold great power. Instead of saying, I can't afford it, Kiyosaki suggests asking, how can I afford it? This shift in language encourages a positive and constructive mindset, opening the door to creative solutions for financial challenges. Take on the identity of the person you want to be. Taking on the identity of the person you want to be isn't about faking it till you make it. It's about aligning your mindset with your aspirations. If you want to feel wealthy, start thinking and acting much like a person who is already wealthy. Learn about investing before you start. While many focus on saving, true wealth comes from investing. Before diving into the investment world, Kiyosaki advises learning about it thoroughly. Avoid falling into get-rich-quick schemes and understand the principles of wise investing to secure long-term financial growth. Be selective about what you feed your mind. Just as you are what you eat, you become what you think. Fill your mind with positive and affirming thoughts. Stay away from mind-numbing content and surround yourself with materials that empower you. What you feed your mind will either nourish you or stunt you. Feed on what nurtures a growth mindset. As promised, to receive your free copy of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, kindly comment Rich Dad below. Once you do so, we'll provide you with the link to access this invaluable resource. Happy reading, and may the insights from Robert Kiyosaki's book guide you towards financial success.